Hey everybody, I am excited to share a couple new stamps. I know what you're probably thinking. Why are you purchasing things? And I want to tell you it's because I am supporting my friend Keren Tamir. I like to support my friends when I can, and she released some stamps through Joggles, and I believe there might be like 8 of them, or I can't remember exactly how many, but I will have a link down below. Be sure to check them out and support her if you can, if these are your style. These are more for like mixed media, art journaling type of stamping, and so yeah, I'm excited. So let's see what we got here. So they're foam stamps. I've never used foam stamps before. I know, crazy. So these are my first. All right, so um, I'm just gonna use some ink. I'm pretty sure you can use ink on them, right? Let's see. I think they're more for paint, but we'll see. We'll give it a try. It looks like it's inking pretty good. Super cool. You can just kind of go around. Oh, that holds a lot of ink. Lots of generation stamping, not because I know like some people do, they like second generation stamping. This one you have like, I'm still going, you guys. This is crazy. Probably because it's foam, so it holds a lot of that ink. So this one's pretty cool. This one was inspired by a water spill, I believe. I think she said. So that's pretty cool. So, and there's no like lines, like it's endless. So yeah, I think that's what I'm trying to say. Because you know some stamps they have like an outline and then it kind of makes like that shape or whatever. This one there you don't have it, so you just have the design on there. And let's do this one. This is the one that I'm so excited about. It says create art and it has a little heart and it's a light bulb. I'm gonna turn this over. Oh, this is my good cardstock. I didn't realize that. I'll have to try to do something with this. My Simon Says stamp cardstock was mixed in with my other cheap cardstock. All right, let's see if I can get a good impression. I think I got it all. Let's see. Look at that. I love that. And then of course, you can go in. And you know what's cool about these too is you can stamp from the other side as well. She has these leaf design ones where, look at that. Look at how many stamps I'm getting out of this. This is cool. All right. I love that. Love it. So you can stamp the opposite side too if you want. So if you want like that, and then like that. So pretty cool. That is all. It was a short video, but I definitely I definitely wanted to let you guys know about her stamps. I posted on Instagram, Facebook, but I know most of my followers are here on YouTube. So if you aren't following me on any of the other platforms, be sure to do so. I have them always linked in the description box down below. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I don't know, letting me know what you're up to, what you're creating. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. Yeah, that's it. All right, bye.